lot of breath and adrenaline pumping, so, but yeah, other than that, we're good. Can't say as much for the shot, though.
It was one heck of a save down there. I thought you were going over down there.
Well, Larry, after that racing performance you put on, it was going to be hard to step it up in freestyle above what you had already been doing tonight, but you did exactly that, man. Huge air, long run. You just were giving them everything, hitting all the stuff, and then a pretty wild ride to end it out there.
Yeah, we were having fun. You know, we wanted to put on a good show. All these other guys are, you know, running hard, and we wanted to win. Like I said, we came here to win, and we wanted to take all three. You know, the championship, the racing, and the freestyle, and we did it.
Boy, you know, to have goals like that's one thing, but to actually carry them out's a whole nother thing. And it's just a topper on what's been a great first quarter for you so far with the Bigfoot Bad Boy and the new attitude.
Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. You know, like I said, I wanted to win. You know, I'd have been happy if I could have won racing and took the points, but to take freestyle too, it's awesome. You know, I wasn't going to lay down just because I already had the championship. You know, we wanted it all, and, you know, it worked out good. We didn't want to roll over, but hey, that's all part of monster trucking.
Well, hey, and you know, it's what we've been talking about all year long with all the folks saying this is the best stuff that they've seen out of a Bigfoot so far. And we've been doing this for 4 or 5 years, and that's one of the best Bigfoot freestyles I've ever seen. You were getting the same air out there as Zimmer. You were carrying, you know, everything that you were looking for out there. A nice save, and then, of course, what happened there at the end.
Yeah, like I said, I appreciate it. You know, I've had a few people tell me that, and it's awesome. I mean, I'm just glad to be driving and glad to be doing a good job. Everybody seems happy, and you know, I'm having a blast. You know, I'm loving it, and like I said earlier, you know, thanks again to the guys at the shop for taking care of my truck, my wife for putting up with me being gone, and, you know, doing all this crazy stuff, and, you know, all the fans, our sponsors, Beckley, all the, you know, with all these guys, the promoters, we couldn't do it without them.
Well, hey, man, we appreciate everything you've done with us so far this year, TMB TV. It's been great having you, and it's been great making sure all the fans out there are seeing everything that you guys are doing with the Bigfoot Bad Boy. Why don't you go out there and do some celebrating?
Yeah, thank you. We're going to go put some trucks back together, and thanks a lot for Monster Blog, you know, for getting the word out to you people, and you guys get to see live action and, you know, all the behind-the-scenes stuff, so thanks for coming.
Larry Swim, Bigfoot Bad Boy. This guy's a champ.